Let's make a Christmas star and a Christmas tree using origami. To make these things, you need supplies like red and green pepper, scissors, pencil, and lid. To make circle, you can use anything round to make circle. Let's make an origami star. Take a piece of red paper. If it's not square, just cut into a square. Now we have our square paper. Yay! Now let's take a piece of red pepper. Now cut into a square. We have our square paper. Yay! Fold one corner to opposite corner. Squish it down with your fingers. Good job! Now it looks like a triangle, like a Christmas hat. On the open side, fold one corner in. Just a tiny fold. Press it and open it again. You just made a little guideline. Nice! Fold the right corner toward the middle line you just made. Press it flat. Now lift that edge a little and fold to the back. Now fold the flat corner half of it toward middle. And fold the whole thing to the back. Press again. Your paper should look long. Now take your pencil and draw a line. This line will make a long and thin triangle shape. We make it long and thin so the point of the star will look nice and sharp because stars love having pointy tips. Now, cut on line you draw. Careful, cut, snip. Okay, now slowly open all the folds. Wow! Look at this! We made a star! To make a Christmas tree, we need a green paper. Cut into a big circle. Let's draw a circle. Let's cut out the circle. Now fold the circle and cut into 2 halves. Wow, it looked like letter D. Take one corner, fold it in toward the middle to make a long triangle shape. Leave a small bit of paper at the top. That will be the top of our tree. Now flip the paper to the back side. Take the rest of the paper and fold it in. Use the edge of your first fold as a guideline. Press the crease. It should look like the shape of a small Christmas tree. Now, I made a couple of different trees and stars. Now, let's put these stars on Christmas trees. Now, you can use these trees to decorate your windows or doors.